Hey, this is Les Per Year, and this video is being made on September the 30th, 2024. And I want to talk to you about Hurricane Helene and the massive damage that it hit on the western North Carolina mountains. This is a 100-year event. This has never happened before, and hopefully it'll never happen again. On Wednesday, September the 25th, Hurricane Helene, packing 106 miles per hour winds, slammed into the North Carolina mountains. And from Wednesday, September the 25th through Friday, September 27th, rain fell up to 30 inches in some areas, and the damage was unprecedented. Houses floated away and bridges crumbled, and semi-trucks were tossed into mangled piles, mud and tree branches. Food from local grocery stores flowed into the streets. And so as of today, September the 30th, the confirmed death toll in Buncombe County alone, which is where Asheville is a total of 35 people who have died, and that will probably increase. There are more than 600 people who have been reported missing. Most people have no water, no power, no internet, no cell phone reception. And the thing about it is that those people who have been reported missing may be okay, but nobody can get in touch with them, and they can't get in touch with anybody else. So hopefully those people are alive and just aren't able to communicate. What I want to show you now is I want to show you a sample of some pictures and some videos of the scenes that we have. There are two things that have really gotten to me, and two towns have been completely destroyed, completely wiped out. One is Chimney Rock. It no longer exists, and another is Swannanoa, North Carolina. It no longer exists. So it not only just impacted buildings and highways and things like that, it wiped out entire towns. So here's a view of some of the damage.
Whoa! That wasn't smart. Oh my God, they all falling!
Thank God.
Not on their house, though. Don't let me out!
For that, opening that door. Bro, Rob was like, bro, there's something like shooting. All you hear is like,
That would be Carol right now. Adding in his shoulders.
we're Graham with Samaritan's Purse, and right now I'm in the parking lot of my home church, Alliance Bible Fellowship in Boone, North Carolina. And the high country of North Carolina has just been decimated by this recent hurricane. Worst flooding I've ever seen in the 45 years of my life. A lot of damaged homes. People have lost their lives here in this community. But Samaritan's Purse is responding. We're sending equipment up here, and volunteers will be going out this Monday, starting to help in this community. The medical system here and also in nearby Avery County, they've asked for help. So as we deploy our teams to help recover from these floods, we're also helping medically. We need your help. We need your support. So if you want to get involved, go to SamaritansPurse.org and sign up.
That was just a brief view of some of the video that was taken in the North Carolina mountains about all of the destruction, and it's just been awful. There are two towns that aren't there anymore. Chimney Rock, North Carolina has been wiped out, and Swannanoa, North Carolina has been wiped out. They're both completely gone. The destruction is greater than I think most people imagine it has been. Please pray for the victims and for those who are going in to help them as well. Now be careful who you donate your money to, because there are going to be a lot of scam organizations that are going to try to steal your money. I put a list down below of legitimate organizations to which you can connect to on the internet, and you can safely donate money, and it will go to help the people in Western North Carolina. So thank you for watching this video. Pray for them, and may God help them as they go.